Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are safe at home. Children, in our last class, we have learned expanded notation and representing a number on the abacus. Hope you all have understood it very well and remembered the concept. Now let me check how much you have understood. Now, I am going to write few numbers on the abacus using beads. You have to identify the number. Children, see, can you tell me what is the number? Yes, it is 5432. There are 5 beads on thousands row. So write 5 under thousands place, and 4 beads in hundreds rod. So write 4, 3 in tens rod and 2 in ones rod. So write 3 in tens place and 2 in ones place. So what is the number? 5432. Now let's see this. How many beads we have in thousands rod? There are 6 beads in thousands rod and 4 in hundreds rod. There are no beads here in tens rod. So which number we have to keep here? There are no beads, so write 0 in tens place. And how many we have on ones rod? 3. So what is the number? 6403. Here there are 3 beads in thousands rod, no beads here in hundreds rod, so place 0 in hundreds place. Here we have 5 beads, so write 5 and 2 in ones rod, so 2 in ones place. So what is the number? 3052. Okay, now come on children, let's revise the expanded notation once. Now I will write few numbers. You have to tell the expanded notation for the numbers. Children, come on. Tell me the expanded notation for this number 5469. To write the expanded notation, we just add the place values. Here, what is the place value of 5 children? It's 5000. So write 5000 place. The place value of 4 is 400 place 60, as the place value of 6 is 16 and 9. And this is the expanded notation of this number. We can write the expanded notation in other form also. What is that? How many thousands we have here? 5 thousands. So write 5 thousands Place how many hundreds? 4 hundreds. Place 6 tens. Place 9 ones. So this is the other way to write the expanded notation. Come on children, let's try this number. 2048. What is the number in thousands place? 2. So the place value of 2 is 2000. Place. Here in hundreds place we have 0. Children, what is the place value of 0? The place value of 0 is 0. So write 0 place. Number in tens place is 4. So the place value of 4 is 40. Place. The place value of 8 here is 8 as it is in ones place. What is the other way? How many thousands we have? 2 thousands. So write 2 thousands. Place. There are no hundreds, right? So 0 hundreds. Place 4 tens. Place 8 ones. Children, while explaining this expanded notation in our previous class, I told you a trick to remember it better, right? Do you remember what is the trick? Let's see. For this number 3469. What is the first digit in 3469? Yes, it is 3. So write 3. And how many digits can you see after 3? 3. So write 3 zeros. Place. What is the second number? 4. How many digits can you see after 4 children? Only 2. So write 2 zeros, that is 400. And the third digit is 6. So write 6. How many digits can you see after 6? Only 1. So write 1 0, that is 60. Place. What is the last digit? 9. And there are no digits after 9. So no zeros. So this is the way to write the expanded notation. Come on children, let's move to our next topic. Before starting the new concept, I am going to ask you few questions. Let's try to answer this. So children, I write some objects, I draw some objects. Okay, here I have drawn balloons in 2 groups. You have to tell me which group of balloons are more. See how many balloons we have in this group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And here we have only 3 balloons. So which group has more number of balloons, children? Yes, this group has more number of balloons. And here we have apples. How many balloons? How many apples are here? 3. And how many apples do we have here? 5. So which group has more number of apples? Yes, this group. See children, what I have in my hands? Pencils. Children, here I have pencils in my hands. How many pencils do I have on my left hand? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 pencils on my left hand. how many pencils do I have on my right hand? 3. In which hand I have more number of pencils? Yes, on my left hand. Very good. See children, to find in the sense to find this in which group we have more or less, what did we do? We just compare. It is nothing but comparison. So just like this, we will compare numbers. So today our topic is comparing numbers. Now I will write few numbers on the board. You have to tell me which is the bigger number. See children, here we have 8 and 5. And this, what is the bigger number? 8. Yes. So, to show bigger numbers, we will use some symbols. Those are greater than, less than. And if both the numbers are equal, we will just keep equal to sign. Children, don't get confused between this greater than and less than symbols. See, always open and show bigger number, closed and show smaller number. For writing greater than, what is the first letter in greater than spelling? G. In which direction we are writing G? Like this, right? So in which direction we are writing G, that direction symbol is greater than. What is the first letter in less than spelling? Which is L. In which direction we are writing L, children? In this way, right? So in which direction we are writing L, that direction symbol is less than. So here, what is the bigger number? 8. So 8 is greater than 5. So this symbol is greater than. And here 6 and 3. What is the bigger number, children? 6. So show opening towards 6. That is greater than. So 6 is greater than 3. Let us take another example. Let us take, see, two numbers on one side. See children, here we have only one digit number here and here two digits we have. For this we have the trick. Have to count the number of digits in each number. Here how many digits we have? Only 1. And here how many digits we have in this number? 2. So which number has more number of digits? That number is bigger. Here in 16 we have 2 digits. So this number is bigger. So show opening towards 16. That is less than. So line is less than 16. So children, let's try the number. See here. How many digits we have in this number? 2. And here only 1 digit. So which number has more digits? This number. So this is the bigger number. So show opening towards 15. That is Nothing but greater than. So 15 is greater than 3. Let's see these numbers. See children, here we have two numbers and these two have two digits in each. 1, 2. This is a two-digit number and this is also a two-digit number. Then how we will compare? When both the numbers have two digits, you have to see the first digit of each number. And which is the bigger number? That number will be the bigger number. See, here what is the first digit? 2. And in this number, the first digit is 3. Which is the bigger number, 2 or 3? 3. So, 36 is the bigger number. So, you have to show opening towards 36, that is less than symbol. So, 24 is less than 36. Let's try this of your own. See children, here in this number we have two digits here and two digits here. Now let's see the first digits. 4 here and 2 here. What is the bigger number in this 2? 4. So what is the bigger number here? 45. So 45 is a bigger number than 27. So here 45 is greater than 27. Very good. See children. Let's see another example. Now compare these two. This number has two digits and this number also we have two digits. Now we have to take the first digits. What is the first digit here? 2. And here also we have 2. Then both the first digits are equal. So can you tell me which is the bigger number? No. In this case here, if both the first digits of the numbers are equal, we should go to the next digit, that is last digit. So what is the last digit here children? It is 8 here and 6. Now what is the bigger number? 8. So here 28 is the bigger number. So show opening towards 28. 28 is greater than. The symbol is greater than 28 is greater than 26. Okay children, in our next class we will learn how to compare bigger numbers. Okay, and I will send the homework through WhatsApp by today evening. See, do practice more numbers like this and we'll see in the next class. Bye children. Have a nice day.